We have here the Ace of Swords energy. It looks like unti-unti na ritong nahahawi ang mga ulap. Clouds are symbols of confusion sometimes. Um, Problems and challenges, no, test ng life. So, unti-unti nang nahahawi dito ang ulap at mukhang nakakuha na rin ng kaliwanagan, no, sa mga bagay-bagay, no. At ang maganda rito, no, I'm seeing also scale here. So, it looks like your life starts to balance as well. Okay, so may kaliwanagan. Meron din dito, no, na balance na nakikita kong nangyayari sa buhay mo. So, let's keep moving here. Yeah, you're definitely realizing major na mga realizations here. So, it looks like this is you, mga babes, no? Alam mo, okay lang yan. Kasi nakuha ko rito na parang meron tayong nakakaramdam dito. Meron sa inyo yung energy nakakaramdam na parang ang dami kong nasayang na oras. Yan, no? Pero okay lang yan. Huwag mo nang isipin yun, mahal. Okay? Kung ano man yung ginagawa mo, magpatuloy ka ngayon dito, no? Kasi nakikita ko, no, na sumasabay ka na sa agos. May clarity for you, and there's balance, no? At ang maganda, no? Okay lang yan. Okay? Huwag mong isipin na nasayang yung oras mo or late ka na or what. Okay? Don't think about that. Okay? Ang importante, you're now being awakened to this truth about something or about a situation. Okay. Hmm. Wow. Maganda to mga babes, no? Kasi you're being protected right here. That's what I'm picking up. Yun na nakikita ko dito for you, guys. So, we've got right here, when you add up 19 plus 7, you've got what? 16 carry up to 6. Yan, no? You've got 26 right here. That's what I'm picking up. So, what I'm sensing from here, guys, is that there is something here. When you add 26, 2 plus 6 is 8. So, kung saan ka rito papunta, mga babes, no? You're moving towards the sun right here. Okay? So, it looks like you're about to step into a new world and you're almost there. You're almost there. You're almost there towards the sun. Okay, this is genuine happiness, tunay na kaligayahan, no? Yung tunay na kaligayahan, no, kung saan ramdam na ramdam at damang-dama mo. Papunta ka na rin, mga babes, you're almost there, no? You have that alsabalutan in the old days, no? Yan yung may mahabang stick, no? Tapos, yan yung parang naglalayas noon or naglalayag, no? Ganyan lang po yung daladala noon, no? Yan. Pag may stick ang ganyan, hindi ikaw yung nagtitinda rito ng mga tako or mga naglalako yan, mga babes, no? Ganyan talaga itsura dati, no? Yung mahabang stick, no? Tapos parang sa dulo, yun yung mga, ano mo, mga damit mo, yung mga gamit mo, no? Yung lip tint. Ba't may lip tint? May lip tint na ba nun? Ayan, no? This just means you look like a full, no? Full scarred energy. Ibig sabihin, you're starting this new beginning, and this new beginning is towards the sun. See? Literal, no? Na isang mensahe ito na nagsistart ka rito ng yung journey, no? And you're almost there. For a lot of you, I'm picking up that this is you, galing kayo, no? Mga babes, no? Sa iba't iba rito na pinagdaanan na iba't ibang season sa inyong buhay, no? You've been sa isang maalon na place, you've been with this, maalon na place, ibig sabihin, yung parang pakiramdam mo rito, no, hindi mo na alam kung makakalabas ka pa sa sitwasyon, pwedeng problema, challenges, no, na-conquer mo yan, at itong mga snow, yan, no, yung mga niebe, yelo na yan, no, na nasa tuktok ng mga bundok, no, ay isang simbolo rito, no, na isa itong paglalakbay na pwedeng naging mahaba na for you guys, no, at papunta ka na dito sa new world mo. No? Papunta ka na dito sa new beginning mo. It's a birth of a new world for you guys. So nakikita ko dito, no, you're almost there. Okay? Papunta ka na dun sa mararamdaman mo na yung pakiramdam ng talagang kontento, yung pakiramdam rito na talagang masaya, no? Yung kontento, satisfied, masaya, no? In all areas of your life. You're moving towards here real, genuine happiness. So, yan mga babes, no? Ayusin ko lang yung light ng phone ko, mga mahal, no? Kasi, yan, okay? Wala kasi ako makita sa screen. Yung screen ko yung nag-block dito, kaya hindi ko makita kung may ano pa ba? Makikita pa ba yung screen ko or what? So, let's keep moving. Okay. Mm. In the past, you've got the fortune's wheel in reverse position. And there you go. You've got right here the four of wands in reverse position. Oh, you've got two major arcanas. We have here the death and the sun. And the devil in reverse. Wow, very powerful it is, no? Wait na mga babes, sinatagnan muna natin ito para tuloy-tuloy ang chikahan natin. Yan, no? So, thank you so much. You also got right here, Major Arcanas. What you're doing? Wow! You're being protected. You're being assisted right here to infinity and beyond. You've got number 26, 2 plus 6, 8. That's infinity symbol. That's infinity sign. So where you're heading at, it's infinity. No? It's something here na hindi na matatapos, hindi na mababawi, hindi na makukuha sa'yo. Happiness is very contagious dyan, mga babes, sa pupuntahan mo. And you have this kind of lots of positivity. You see positive things in your life right now. That's what I'm picking up. And you are about to see that. Okay? Para dun sa iba na nagsisimula pa lamang ito. Wow! You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 major arcanas right here and 6. Okay, so yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, okay. Wow, wow. Okay. This is what you do not see coming, but I'm about to spill the tea right here for you, honey. Okay, so yeah. Wow. I'm seeing roads. Papunta ka na talaga dun. Papunta ka na talaga dun. Okay? All your bags are packed. You're waiting to go. Yung iba sa inyo, nag-left na kayo. Ano? So, you're moving towards your real happiness here. So, thank you so much, Collective. Thank you so much, guys. Sa mga new subscribers, yan, no? Ako po si Yan. At sa mga returning subscribers, yan, no? Welcome back dito sa channel na ito. Sa mga new, sana magstay kayo here with us dito sa community namin. Saya dito, promise. Yung iba nga tumambay dito, di na umalis. Yan, no? Dito na sila nangupahan. Yan, no? Nang free. So, thank you so much sa suporta at walang sawang pagtangkilik at pagtambay dito sa channel na ito. So, yan mga babes, no? Bago tayo mag-start, lahat tayong gender dito, timeless to. So, iba pwedeng tapos na to sa inyo, guys. Iba nangyayari sa kasalukuyan or in the present moment or in the now. Or pwede rin naman na hindi pa at isang prediction sa inyong future. So, nakikita ko dito mga babes so that you're moving towards the sun, towards this new world, new book, new chapter of your life wherein doon sa mundo na yun, nasisimulan or sinisimulan mo na ngayon, I'm seeing you very, very satisfied, very, very happy right here, very, very contented, no? Like, ang ganda ng nakikita ko ritong mundo kung saan ka papunta. Yan, no? In the past, fortune's wheel in reverse position looks like, alam mo yung ikaw noon, no, in the past, no, nakuha ko rito mga babes, no, na may success for you, pero ang bagal. Alam mo yung ikot ng Ferris wheel sa sa MOA, ganun kabagal. 'Di ba? Ganun kabagal mga babes, no? Ikot ng Ferris wheel ng buhay mo noon, yun nakukuha ko dito. Yan, no? Pero dito, hindi maganda yung mga pinagdadaanan mo, no? Sa MOMA kasi, kaya mabagal yung Ferris wheel doon. Tsaka sa lahat naman ng mga amusement park. Kasi for you to be able to enjoy the sceneries, no? Yun naman ang kinaibahan nun. Kasi ang Ferris wheel talaga, no, is a ride in an amusement park. Okay? Pero kasi, ang tawag nito, mga babes, no? Dito kasi, ang nakikita ko is that, okay, in your case, yung Ferris wheel na ito, no, meron ka namang success in your past, ang iyong nakaraan, no, hindi past life mga babes, no, in the past. Okay, in the past, may success ako nakikita sa'yo, pero ang bagal. Okay? So, pwedeng yung mga nakikita mo dito mga babes, no, ay mga sceneries na parang okay lang sa'yo, no, kaya okay lang kahit mabagal rin dito yung pag-ungos ng life mo kasi nag-e-enjoy ka rito, no, sa sceneries na ito, no. Pero, universe is telling you not to continue viewing those sceneries because they're all fake. What do you mean? 'Di ba sa amusement park, no, hindi naman sa dinadaya yung mga bata, pero kasi yung mga nandodoon, no, is we do all know that is hindi siya part ng reality, 'di ba? Yung mga parang mga magic, no, there's something fake about that, no? Yung mga nakikita ng bata, wow, magic, no, nawala yung bagay na yun, or wow, ang ganda. Akala nila is snow yun, but it's not real. Kapag nilagay mo yun sa kamay mo, no, hindi malamig, no? So, there's something here that you're seeing, okay, in the past, no, na kung saan parang nakontento ka doon. Pero hindi yun yung deserve mo. Kasi kailangan mong makita yung truth about that. Kailangan gumalaw rito yung fortune's wheel mo, no, accordingly. Kailangan ma-receive mo yung blessings mo rito, no, na dapat noon pa talaga dumating sa buhay mo, no. At four of wands in reverse, you're protecting someone here that do not match your energy. What you're talking about, Miss Yan? Death card is right here. This person is hinuk na talaga mula sa'yo, no? Ang universe ay umeksena na rito para tanggalin itong tao na to sa buhay mo, putulin ang connection na ito, no? The universe wants you to see what is really fake and what is really not. Eh? And what is really true, I mean. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that the universe interfered in this type of connection para ipakita sa'yo ang totoo sa hindi totoo. So yun nga yun mga babes, no? So kung sino tong kadil mo, ikaw ay Queen of Pentacles energy, napaka-maalaga mo, no? At right at the center of this reading, itong pagtanggal ni universe rito, no, ng tao na to sa buhay mo, no? Because this is unhealthy attachment. Ayan, no? Pakita ko lang, no? Igaganto muna natin para makita ninyo. Ayan, no? May chain. Ang laki ng chain na parehas nasa leeg nyo rito. Kailangan maputol ito. Kung sino man yung kakunik mo na yan, no? This person is not good for you. Masyado kang, ganito you're too good for this person. Okay? Noon pa lang hindi na nagmamatch yung energy ninyo, mahal. Napaka-maalaga mo. You appear to be as the queen and this person appears to be the knight. Sa dinami-dami ng knights sa tarot. Lumabas pa siya bilang Knight of Wands energy. Yan, no? So, kung sino man tong person na to mga babes, no, I'm seeing a boxer. So, whatever the case may be, pwedeng madalas siyang naka-boxer, no, pag nakatambay lang siya sa bahay. Yan, no? That's very specific, so just take how this resonates. Yan, no? Doesn't have to be for all yun. Okay? Pwedeng nakita lang natin kasi may nanonood dito na connecting dun sa person na yun. Okay? Na may ganong habit or what. Okay. So, going back here. So, I'm seeing this person here. Noon pa man, hindi na nagmamatch ito sa energy mo, mahal. Lumalabas dito mga babes, no, that you are the Queen of Pentacles energy. Sabi ko sa inyo, may success kayo. May blessings kayong paparating dun na matagal nyo na sanang na-receive. 'Di ba? Pero angkla kayo sa kanya, no? This unhealthy attachment, you protect protected this home, you protected this relationship, yan, no? From any harm, you did not listen here to the advices, okay, of your genuine friends and your family to cut that person off into your life. Hindi kayo nakikinig noon sa mga advice na sinasabi ng ibang tao na malalapit sa'yo, no? Natanggalin mo na sa buhay mo yan kasi siya yung nagpe-pending dito ng mga blessings sa life mo. Yan, no? So, pwedeng noon pa lang na nasa-stress ka na sa kanya. Pwede rin nakakuha ka na ng anxiety, depression dahil dyan sa tao na yan, no? Naapektuhan hindi lang yung mental mo rito, no? Na, na health. Okay? So, this person, naapektuhan niya rito yung areas of your life mo, no? Yan, no? Yung nakikita ko rito. This person affected all your areas, okay, sa buhay mo. So, kung sino man siya, no? This universe right here, okay? Gumawa na ng paraan para tanggalin tong tao na to sa buhay mo. Yan, no? Kina-cut off na nila to. Noon pa lang hindi na nagmamatch yung energy ninyo. Masyado kang, mga babes, no? Overqualified para sa kanya. Masyado kang overqualified para sa kanya. Hindi na nagmamatch energy nyo noon. Pati ngayon, hindi rin nagmamatch. Kaya kung sino to, walang pinagbago. Walang pinagbago. Ganun pa rin siya noon at ngayon. Yan, no? At dahil doon, mga babes, no, nakita to ni universe, no, itong ganitong bagay, no. Alam mo kasi hindi kayo talaga magtatagal ng isang tao pag hindi nagmamatch ang energy mo, okay, sa kanya. And with the chariot card right here, see, nakita mo ba to? Tut, tut, tut. See, you're moving towards your divine counterpart, your true soulmate, your true partner. See, we've got the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. So you're moving towards your perfect match, yung tunay na magmamatch ng energy mo right here, babe. So see, you have this. Okay, ito yung talagang para sa'yo siya. And you're receiving that justice. Yan mga babes yung nakikita ko rito for you guys, no? And on the other hand, this past person of yours right here, okay, he or she is receiving some kind of karma now. What kind of karma, Miss Yan? This is general reading right here, honey. But I'm picking up that whatever justice it is, justice is being served here. Okay? Justice is being served to this person. Karma is being served to this person. And this is your karma. This is good karma naman for you. Queen of Coins to the King of Pentacles energy. I'm seeing you not letting go of each other. This is what you do not see coming. Yeah. This is what the universe wants you to receive. This is what the universe wants you to have. This is what the universe wants for you, collective. 'Di ba? So, ito talaga yung para sa'yo. See? So, kinuha siya sa buhay mo kasi you're too good for him or hindi na nagmamatch dito. Queen tapos Knight. So, dinami-dami ng Knight of Wands pa. 'Di ba? Ganun yung mga mahal, no? Kapag hindi talaga nagtatama ang energy ninyo, wala talaga. Walang patutunguhan, hindi magiging balansay ang inyong buhay, no? Kapag hindi nagtatama ang inyo ritong energy ng partner mo. At hindi naman kasi talaga siya yung for you. Kasi ito yung true match mo. The King of Pentacles energy, someone who is also like you, someone na kasing nurture, maalaga mo, someone na kasing sipag mo pagdating sa trabaho, no? Someone na responsable kagaya mo pagdating rito, no? Sa mga bagay. Someone, no? Na ginagamit ang isip bago magdesisyon. Someone na makikita mo bilang katuwang at makikita ka niya bilang katuwang dito. See? So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing you guys being redirected to the path. There's that road. You're almost there. Yeah. So yeah, noon pa lang, no? Overqualified ka na sa past person na ito, no? Hanggang ngayon, mas lalo ka pang naging overqualified para sa past person na yun. So yeah, ito ang mga mensaheng nakuha natin for you collective. Thank you so much. Sana ngayon love and light. Annyeong!